Hello guys, Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how you can make PowerPoint presentations on the go on using your smartphone or your tablet. So if you're a businessman and you want to go outside and you want to go to a seminar and in a meeting and you want to make a quick presentation to promote your brand or to make your sales pitch or to do discussions on certain topics, and you just want to bring your smartphone, then this is applicable for you. And also to those who may be involved in public speaking and who just don't want to do some effort on carrying a bulky laptop or a bigger tablet and just want to carry their phone. That could be also the use case for this one. This is a smartphone. A modern smartphone is more than capable of doing functions such as word processing and PowerPoint presentations, just like the old PC do. And first off, I'm gonna show you how to do this with a specific app named Google Slides. So Google Slides is right here. You can download it free from the Play Store, which is right here, and it's a Google product of Google. So it's free. You just log in your account and you can use it right away. So what I mean by your account is your Google account. So whatever you're using for your Gmail or your YouTube account, it is all linked up in the whole Google ecosystem. So this Google Slides is using your Gmail too. So when you open this one, you can see the previous files that you have saved. So if you have made a couple of files before, so this is where you can see them. And if this is your first time making a Google slide, then maybe you don't see like a populated first page. So this here is for your settings, account settings, and other functions that you want to access in case you want to share a file or you're gonna collaborate with another user who is also using Google Slides. So if you're both using Google Slides, you can take turns or work on the same document at the same time. This one is for your Google Drive, or you can open a Google Slide document from the Google Drive or your device storage. So if someone sent you a file, a presentation file, you can save it in your Google Drive and you open it right here. Next is where should you start. So you can start by pressing or tapping on the plus button, and you will see two options: choose a template or new presentation. A template is typically a prefabricated, or it also always has a theme and some pre-filled fields, so you can get up and running in no time. So new presentation is a blank slate. So if you are that person who wants to incorporate their own design on their Google Slides, then this is it. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're gonna tap on new presentation. A new presentation, you can see the working area right here. If you have experience working with Microsoft PowerPoint, this is your main working area. These are your slides right here, slide preview, and you can add a slide on this plus slide on the bottom right corner. You can have redo and undo, you can play it to preview it. You can add a collaborator or a user that you want to collaborate with, and you can also have chats, comments as you work along. And this plus button is adding images. He is inserting lines, tables, if you want to do that. So first thing, how do you edit this one? So double tap to add title, very self-explanatory. Double tap on it. and then you can start typing. So unlike your PC, this is quite a new experience for you if you haven't used this before, finger typing. So this is better with keyboard and mouse, but you're on the go. You can't complain. You're gonna make this presentation as you are commuting or going on a flight to where you're going. You can also double tap to add subtitle. If you didn't edit this one, it will not show when you play this page. It will not be showing the bottom line. It will just show the title. So we're gonna title this is okay. Depends. Okay. Right there. So that's our first slide. It's usually the title. Doesn't matter. It's up to you if what you want to include in that one. So right here, the top left, top right, you have 3 points there, and you can change the theme. So the theme is typically the colors, the design that you want to apply on your Google Slides. You can just say beach day. Same content, different design. Oh, you don't want that. You decided to change it again to more subtle, like a focus, more business oriented. The same slides tutorial, February 2020, this different design and different font. So when you add something, it's gonna follow the same theme, but you're gonna change it. You can have, well, it depends if you want to have 2 title slides, but you usually follow it up with a section header or a title and body. So when you tap on this one, you will see that you have 2 slides right here. So same thing, you have tap to add title and okay, I'm just gonna do it real quick here. It's up to you what you want to type in here, what topic you're gonna tackle. Double tap to edit. Don't worry if this is too small for your phone. When you held it up like that, it's too small, but when you preview it on a bigger screen, it will be zoomed. It will be scaled up proportionally. So blah 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 blah. Okay, that's just a sample right there. So when you want to go back to slide number 1, just tap on it, tap on it, tap. Okay, and then you can add some more. Okay, you can add some more. You can double tap on this one and add an image if you want from your camera or from your photos. You have to allow it. So example, you want to take a photo of this one. Okay, so it's kind of a blurry photo, but okay, we're gonna try it. Okay, and right there. If you have photos in your gallery, you can also use that. Okay, so this is just a sample. If you want to insert a table, it's also possible. Okay, then you can go back to this one. It's usually settings, and then you show speaker notes. Not really that important, but you can have that if you're talking and you want to use your phone as a controller, like a TED Talk. View guides is just a horizontal and vertical line to make your slide centered. So if you find that really annoying and not really important, you can turn this off, and then you can try to present on this device, or you can also cast this on a TV, which we're gonna try next. So what if you want to try this on your device first? Okay, right here, to So this is not really the design of the PowerPoint presentation, but if you're in a one-on-one meeting, you can use this one to present or to pitch whatever you want to pitch. Okay. And then if you want to exit, you can just back it up. And then right there. If you want to rename it, just go to the 3 points again and click on Untitled Presentation, and it's giving you a suggestion that from your title, based on your title, and I'm gonna just say okay. And when you go back out, you will see a preview of the slide tutorial that we did, and it is synced. If you're connected to the internet or mobile data, it will be synced to your Google Slides account, and you can continue working on maybe a computer or a Chromebook or another tablet that is also linked to your account. So what if you want to show this on a TV, or you cast this? What would it look like? I'm gonna show this to you next. So if you want to use a TV to present your PowerPoint or your Google slide file, you can just open your Google slide file, and then you can see if it detects a device that is capable of casting information like a TV or a monitor or a Chromecast device to a non-Android TV or non-smart TV. You can see this icon right here. So if you can see that, you can tap on it, and it will be showing you the list if you have multiple devices that is capable of casting. So we have a TV right here, and it will be shown on that device. So your phone will act as a controller. So if you added speaker notes right here, you can just check your phone, and as you're talking to your audience, or if you're talking to a group of people, you can refer to your notes here, and you can just slide it to advance the slide. And also it has a separate speaker notes, and right there. So it's pretty handy if you want portability and you really don't want to have inserted a lot of things in this one, and it really works well as it is. So it's free, it's accessible, it's easy to use. If you have a casting device, you can just, or if you don't have a casting device, you can just mirror it with something like a casting device like a Chromecast to a monitor or a non-smart TV. So hope you like it, guys. This is how you can really utilize the power of your mobile phone and some free apps that you can download from Google Play Store. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I hope that you can use this eventually in sometime in your business or your career. And like and subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center, and till next time, guys, cheers.